Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we are going to be doing something new. So this is a haul, is what I bought over January, so let's begin. So in this video we are doing a haul of everything I've bought over January from the 1st up until the 22nd, and girl, it's a lot. So this is going to feature makeup, skincare and hair care. I know, branching out girl. Also, can we get a shout out for this cute old turtleneck? I've lost a bit of weight, I managed to squeeze myself into it, and what I like about it is it makes my jawline look a bit more there, do you know what I mean? Because it's not really there. So let's commence. Where to begin? I haven't got a clue what the prices are. I have just bought it and stacked up and stocked up, and I am kind of living in a world of regret because I am poor. Thankfully got paid today, so we can start this all over again. I recently had a week off with my partner and he decided to reward me for being well behaved over this week off together and gave me some money to get some makeup. Of course I decided to exceed the budget given to me and buy a little bit extra. First of all, I wanted a new bronzer, so I picked up the NYX matte bronzer powder in the shade medium, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So it's a nice little compact, it's a really nice warm shade here. It's just really cute, nothing too dark, nothing too crazy. Put it over that scab, you know, it's just a bit toasty. It's one to try. Also, shout out, I'm not wearing any makeup today because I feel like shit, so deal with it. The next thing I bought, I wanted a new mattifying powder. I've had this scabby old one for such a long time, like this one, it's all worn off. I think it's Maybelline. No, Rimmel in silky beige. Hit the pan, it's busted, disgusting, so I wanted a new one. So I picked up this Maybelline because it's actually like well recommended. I actually bought this before, I saw it was recommended by Trixie Mattel in one of her videos. But this is the new Matte Maker mattifying powder in the shade Nude Beige. Again, really nice, cute, soft tone. It's in winter, girl. We need the cold ones because we all look pasty as shit. So that's cute house. The next thing, right, these brows. I'm on a journey, I'm on a spiritual journey. I wanted something new. I wanted to get away from using pomades. I normally use the e.l.f. Cosmetics pomade, which is this one here. You'll see it in pretty much all the videos. I used to always wear this, love it, cute. Wanted something new, bored of it. So I saw this, and I saw it a long time ago, but I just never branched into it because I used to use pencils, then I got the pomade, and then I want to go back to pencils again. So I'm actually wearing it today. I've just filled in my eyebrows a bit slightly, nothing too crazy. It is the L'Oreal Microblade it's a pencil girl. And it's in the shade, I think it's medium or ebony or something. Ebony. It's in the shade Ebony. It is this really cute, like fine tipped, like you see those little like prong fine tipped. God, I'm sweating in this jumper. And it's just this really cute, you brush it on and it does like hairline strokes. Let me just put it on there. You see that? See like the hairline's just not gonna focus, girl. No? You get the gist. Really cute, love this, don't regret it at all. One of my absolute favourite purchases for this month so far. The next thing, I got the NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel. So I was after some tips and tricks. I asked Mama Mitchell and he recommended to use lash glue. That's a bit too crazy for my liking. I don't want to do that. I've seen horror stories about it because it like sticks to your face and it's a nightmare to get out. It can actually pull out the hairs. Works for him, not for me. His eyebrows are like very bushy, like very like manly bushy. Mine are very like, you see like they're quite flat, nothing too crazy, girl. I like it, it's cute. So the next thing I bought, I wanted a new liner, a new white liner. So I bought the NYX Professional Makeup Eyeliner. It is like, it's supposed to be like a silk slide on kind of one. It's like this really soft crayon, really like this. I'm not using a look yet, but there you go. That's the application is gorgeous, like living for that so much. So that is that. And then lastly, amongst the makeup for this trip is the NYX eyeliner. I wanted a new one because I've been using some really old, dry, scabby ones. This one's actually from Shein, the one I've been using. It's actually really nice, to be fair, really nice fine tip. Like absolutely love this so much. Really great application, but I was bored of it. It felt a bit cheap and tacky, girl. This one is stunning. The application is amazing. See, it just feels like a really soft, like soggy, like moist, like felt tip. So cute. Love it so much. Got no room for it. Oh, the makeup is everywhere. I can't even tell you. I'll insert a picture here. I upgraded from like this to this with my storage. It is like towering over me right now. It's too much. So the next thing before we go into skincare, because I know it's a bit more like in demand at the minute because of the old face mask, hence why I'm wearing no makeup, because my skin is horrendous from wearing a face mask at work, like 12 hours a day, it's just too much. So I signed up to Glossybox. So this is a bit of a Glossybox unboxing, like mashup, love that. So here is my Glossybox, absolutely living for this so much. So when you open it up, you have this gorgeous soft pink blush. I don't know what's going on with the lighting today, girl, don't come for me, it looks yellow, I know. So you open it up, you get this really nice leaflet in here. Just take that out, no one cares. In that it tells you the value of the things. I'm not interested, I just want to know what I got. So let's pull the string and open her up. And then you get like this sealed, like, royal envelope here. Just open, no one cares. And inside are your goodies. So Glossybox is like it's like, what's the word? It's like a subscription. And it's like £11 a month. And there are some cute things in here. The first thing we hear is a Saint Lux brow gel. Great, when I've just bought one. So this is a £16 brow gel. It already covers the cost of the box. Love that so much. Let's open her up and have a look. All of the box. Oh, gorgeous. It's like a mini, perfect for your handbag. It's really, really small. You see that compared to like my fingers, really teeny tiny. Nothing too amazing or adventurous, but still cute to have. The next thing we have is some hand gel. Sadly, we all need it. Love that. Hand sanitizer, I think it's like, oh, boring. That's like $2.66 or something, $2.72, boring the hand. The next thing we have, this kind of excited me because I've got nothing like this. This is a moisturizing serum from E-Cooking Fragrance Free Moisture Boost. So I believe you put this on your skin, rub it in like a bit like a serum, which is, and I got another one I already bought again the other day, so great. And this retails, the mini retails for $22.50 for this little bottle. The next thing we got in the box is daily reusable rounds. So these are like reusable like wipes, you know, like when you have these things, girl, these like cotton pads, it's like a reusable one of them. Cute, probably use it once, get bored of it, to be honest with you. They retail for £6.80. The next thing is a Beauty Pro avocado infused sheet mask. It's quite exciting. It's plant-based. Obviously, I'd imagine it's vegan. Yes, 100% plant-based. It'd be vegan, cruelty-free, yada, yada, yada. It's obvious. And this retails for $4.95 for a mask. Girl, I would never. I would never. And I think this is the last thing, girl. I've been duped. That is so annoying. I've not received something. So, in here, I've also got this. But I wasn't supposed to get this. I don't know if I'm supposed to get everything in here. I'm not sure, it's my first one. But this is a mud masky serum infused eye mask for dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin and swelling. Girl, look, I need it. My job is exhausting. It's early hours to late hours, girl, long hours of the day. So this is great. I think it's just like a little mask or something. Let's have a little look. Oh, it's sealed. Okay. Let's crack it open. I'm doing this all for you. This is all for my 76 subscribers of the world. Let's pop a bit on here. Ooh, it looks like vinaigrette, girl. If you're running out of salad cream, you know what to do. Buy yourself a muddy masky. I don't really like the feel of this. It smells like vanilla, girl. Cute. And then it's just like this little mask. Keep the house. It's just, it looks a bit like someone's like pissed on your face, to be honest with you. It's got little like basil bits in it or something. Oh, nah. That is not vinegar, girl. I mean, that is vinegar. It's basically vinegar. So if you don't want to spend what's probably £10 on a moisturising cream, go just get yourself some vinegar out the cupboard. This is vital. I'm going to wipe that shit right off. So the next thing, Glossybox is done. Let's go on to the next exciting thing and then we'll get to the boring things. You can all just click on this video. So in here, I done a Morphe haul. So I've already opened it, as you can tell, because I like to check I've received everything before I come on the camera. And I'm a bit shook because they had like a really good offer on brushes. So I basically went ahead and I bought every single brush you can even come to imagine. So like I bought like probably £90 worth of brushes for £18. Bitch, this is a savvy girl, I'm telling you now. So in here, before we get to brushes, oh, been in my makeup. We've got this one here. This is a Morphe, I think this is like a blush. It is a blush brush. Oh no, this is a contour brush, girl. So really cute silver mirrored Oh, that feels beautiful. This is my first ever Morphe brush. That feels high end, it feels heavy, it feels quality. I think all of these brushes were like £3 a piece. This one, don't know what it is, little fluffy one, it feels great. It's like wooden, living. The next one, this is a precise contour brush. Can't open it. There you go, like a precise contour, just get those lines on, girl, get in the nose. Ooh, snatched. The next one we've got is this one. This, I believe, is a, here you go, pointed dome brush. More for like your contouring, girl, with the powders, you know what I mean? Love that, feels amazing, living, heavy. It's like a matte effect of silver, cute the house. I can tell you're already bored, so I'm just gonna fly through them. The next thing I got is the Morphe Ivy Lounge, I believe it's called, Ivy League, sorry. It is a gel liner, and you can probably imagine by the name Ivy League that it is a khaki green pomade. Let's just rip it open, girls. There you are, so it's like this green pomade. I think I got this for like £2 from like £9, amazing. Why not, even if I never use it? Then the next thing I got was this Coca-Cola X Morphe. It is a Glow in Places Loose Highlight Illuminating Powder. It is more like a body one. It is in the shade Serve Sparkling, this really cute rose gold. Let's just get the hell open. It's all pretty straightforward, girls, you know what's coming. It's a black pot with the Coca-Cola written on it. And then when you open her up, it's just like a generic like highlighter thing. It's got a little tab to rip it off. I'm not gonna try it, it'll be in future videos. Something for you to look forward to. And lastly, in the Morphe haul, we have got the F130 Full Coverage Foundation. I've never tried, got plastic on my mouth, a full coverage foundation from Morphe. Let's see if it's my shade. God, all these tabs, girl, making me expire my makeup. All for you girls, you better appreciate this. And let's just pop a bit of that on there. It's looking a bit light, but it could work. So let's just buff that in, yeah. It's not bad, it's not my shade, but we can definitely use it in like the highlighting areas of the face. There's no harm in mixing, or we can use the blend. I don't really mind. So that is my Morphe haul now done. Let's keep this rolling. Now we're going into skincare, girls. So I don't have a skincare routine, which is why my skin is so bad. And I have noticed how dry it is, whether it's the cold weather, whether it's the mask, whether it's the fact that I don't hydrate it or look after it, who knows. But I have recently endeavoured into buying some exfoliating gloves. I'm not going to show you them because they're boring. They're £1 from Tesco, go and get some. I wanted to get myself a few selections of things. They're all cheap, it's all from Lidl, don't come for me, that's a shop I shop in. You probably have one out, it's a shop I work in. I wanted to just buy some cheap products for now, just so I can kind of like get into the routine of doing the skincare routine, and then when I'm in the place, I can go out and buy some nice stuff. I've already been eyeing up, and I've already saved some, can't get word up today, girl. My head is far. I've already saved some skincare products I want on Beauty Bay to buy later on. So this one that I bought first is just a general day cream. It is called Vitality Regenerative Day Cream, cute the house. The next thing I bought is hand cream because my hands get fucked from work, cute the house. The next thing I got is a face gel moisturizing cream just to clean the face, cute the house. I know you're bored. Next I've got is cleansing milk. So apparently this is better than using the facial wipes. Apparently this is actually really bad for your skin. It doesn't remove all the makeup and it can clog up the pores, which is no good for anyone. Okay, that's skincare done. Right, moving on. I did pick up this Makeup Obsession Stay Extra setting spray because the one I use at the moment is getting a bit low. I have currently been using the Avon makeup setting spray. It's getting a bit low in there, you see, girls. It's getting a bit low and it's not really that great, whereas this one just feels good. I've not used it yet properly like with makeup, but it smells amazing. So it says that it is with vitamins and water lily extract. Let's just, it's very fresh, it's very nice, it's a bit watermelon-esque. I think this was £8, I think. Again, I'm gonna put prices on screen. I think it's £8. Really cute, excited to try that. Sometimes it's nice, just use a bit of setting spray just on your face when you've got no makeup on. It just freshens it up. It looks a bit dewy, it looks a bit moist now, and girl, we all like something moist. So moving on, the next thing I bought, because I'm getting gay of the week, I have decided to buy some Peony Petals So ... exclamation mark, question mark, whatever it is, girl. Just one to try. It's this really nice, I've been using it quite a lot, and I tend to use actually more to spray on my bed and on my pillows before I go to sleep than I do actually on myself. It's just like this body spray. It's very much like knockoff Victoria's Secret-esque. Things like £3 for Tesco's. Don't breathe it in, girl. Fucking disgusting. Tastes like vinegar boring the house. It's cute. The next thing I bought, because my nose is horrendous, girl. I don't know whether it's the mask. I don't know what it is. It's just bad. You see, like, this was a really big red spot. And then this is obviously the mask mark. You can already tell what that is. We've all got one, girl. So I bought this Review. It's a charcoal black face peel-off mask. All those words got jumbled up. I'm telling you, girl, I've had a long day. I'll insert a picture. I've been to Harold Country Park with my partner. We got frowned upon by all the locals because we're not posh, dude. Darling, I drive a nice car. You should be grateful that I'm blessing you with that. It's all like these old posh people in their shitty stone cottages. It's boring the house. They're all above themselves. Girl, you're a 10-minute drive from Bedford. Humble yourself, yeah? So this is actually really great. I've used this a few times now. So you put it on, let it set in. Takes about 10 minutes. You can tell when it's dry. Peel it off. Mask done. Lovely. When I got this whopper come in, and a few other whoppers around here, it was really great actually for peeling off, like, it sounds disgusting, like the dead skin, but I really love this. Cute. I would highly recommend that. And the next thing I bought is the magnetic lashes. I'm not going to show you too much because these are going to feature in a video coming up. And then the second to last thing, before I go any further, I bought the L'Oreal Vitalift Anti-Wrinkle Serum. This is really cute. Love this so much. It's like this, basically, like, you open it up, it's cute. It looks nice on the side, even if you don't use it for anything else. It's like this little pipette. You open her up, and then you just dot. There you go. You just drop a couple of drops. It looks a bit like steam, but I'm sure it's nicer than that. It doesn't smell salty anyway. It smells fresh, a bit like laundry. So I bought this. Really cute, the house. Absolutely loving for it. And it's supposed to, like, it said after... Rubbish is all over now. It says after like 4 days, you'll feel refreshed. After a week, you'll feel like a bit tighter. And then apparently after 4 weeks, you're supposed to be like 13% tighter on the face. And girl, every man likes it tight. So this one's for you, babe. And then the last thing I bought, girls, we need to talk. I feel like we need to talk. I am bored of this hair. So when lockdown comes, we are having a change. We are going to be dyeing our hair blonde. And I have toner here. I'm trying to make Brad Mondo proud. He is my absolute idol when it comes to hair. But I bought the Be Blonde by Jerome Russell High Lift Powder Bleach. I do still need to go out and pick up a few bits for that, and the reason I haven't done that yet is because I'm actually going to have my brother Leo on that video, and he's going to be vlogging it with me and dyeing my hair, obviously after COVID and the lockdowns are lifted. And I would like to vlog going to the shop with you. We can go on a drive, talk, meet Leo, then do the hair. Fabulous. That's very much the plan. And then we're going to tone it with this, and I'm hoping to go for like a platinum blonde colour. If I don't like it, I'm going to go silver. Failing that, pink. That's the general consensus, girl, because if I go for like blonde, it looks shit. I can go silver. If I look just too dated and crap, then I can go pink, and then going pink matches my complexion because my face is so spotty and blush to shit. So that's very much where I'm going, girls. This talk's over. You're bored. I'm not bored, but you're probably bored because I'm buzzing because I've got shitloads of new things. So yeah, there we go. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram. It's in these corners somewhere. I will be getting to TikTok one day. I say that every week, girl, but it's very much on the consensus to do. Please like, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. See you later. I love you. Goodbye. Mwah.